On a quiet night in the Florida Keys, a sheriff's deputy noticed a vehicle pulling into a parking lot under suspicious circumstances. Little did they know, this encounter would lead to a DUI investigation full of twists, admissions, and lessons.
In the car. It's going to be Florida tag, Alpha Hotel, Black Kia Forte, occupied by 2. What are you guys doing here?
I'm looking for my hotel. I think I passed it. Can I give you my ID?
Yes, I request both of your IDs.
Yeah.
How much you guys had to drink tonight?
I'm not exactly sure, but not a lot. I'm looking for we're supposed to be going from the Key West to it smells like Coconut Cove.
Can you step out of the vehicle, please? Car off?
Yeah.
Okay. Step out of the car. Stand right in front of that. Okay. Stand in front of the car. Why don't you walk over here as well, sir, since you wanted to get out of the car. Stand right there.
The deputy noticed the car pulling off into a marina area, seemingly out of place. Upon approach, he observed a female driver passed out at the wheel and a passenger asleep in the back seat. The driver claimed she was trying to find her way to a hotel but admitted her phone was broken, making navigation impossible. A strong odor of alcohol on her breath raised immediate red flags.
My thing is this, I saw you, I was looking for another car when I saw you guys whip into Duck Key.
Yeah.
All right, and then when I was done doing what I was doing, I come in and you guys are driving through the marina area, and then you come here and black out at this business.
I do not have my phone broke, so my GPS doesn't work, so I'm trying to find the location, and so basically I did not know where to go, so I was like, we're just going to kind of park up here for the night because I don't know where the Coconut Cove is. I'm not from Key West, we had a rental, we're going to Fort Myers, and so we're kind of driving from Key West to Fort Myers to find our hotel, but my phone isn't working, so I don't have the location.
Patrol 1.
410212. Can you copy 2 Nebraska DLs by number? Can you step away from him, so I know he's been drinking. So, tell me again, what time did you leave Key West?
Like 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock?
Yeah.
And you came straight up here?
No.
Where'd you go?
Slowly made our way here. We had to stop at a couple gas stations and just made our way, but my phone wasn't working, so I definitely made a couple circles because I stopped and talked to a...
You stand there.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Stand there. There you go.
Yeah. So I stopped and I talked to a couple of people because I didn't know where I was going because my phone died, so it's hard to get a sense of direction when you're going. I've never been here before. I've been to Florida, but not to Key West. And so I was trying to get a sense of direction to where I was actually going to, Coconut Keys Cove.
I'm asking you to do some field sobriety exercises prepared to operate a motor vehicle.
So what does that mean?
It means we're going to be doing a DUI investigation.
Okay.
So are you willing to do some field sobriety exercises?
Does that mean I'm going to jail tonight?
No, it doesn't. Not exactly.
So how far am I from Coconut Key?
You're 20-something miles. Maybe no, 30 miles. So I'm asking you right now, are you willing to do some field sobriety exercises?
I have no idea what that means. Honestly, I think I'm okay. I haven't drank
I'm
that
asking you now, are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Yes.
You will do them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay then. Stand by. 4102. Can I get code 4? It's going to be signal 1.
4102, 4102.
Copy, thank you. Stay in front of the car. Stay in front of the car. Just wait for my partner to get here. You can go stand in front of the car, please.
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's so cold.
Yeah, well, the engine's hot.
I get it.
Stand in front of the engine. It'll keep you warm.
Can I stand closer?
Yes. Is there a reason you're staring at me?
No, just wait. Stare at the ground if you want me to.
Female. He's drunk too, but he was passed out in the back seat. She was passed out over the steering wheel. This vehicle I just saw in Duck Key, came down south with it, and it dumped in here. So strong odor. Talking to her. She's already agreed to do fields. So you want this?
I was glad they took it.
Huh? Kayla.
Ma'am, you want to come over here with me? Yeah. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I had in Key West when I drove here. I honestly do not believe that I've had that much to drink. Not.
What did you have? Like
2 drinks at Rick's.
okay. Beer, liquor, wine.
Liquor for sure. Yeah.
All right. So you agree to do field sobriety
Yeah.
exercises?
And what's after that?
I'll let you know when to see.
Well,
how
I would
everything
just
goes.
like to know from my parents.
I can't tell you
No,
what's
yeah,
gonna happen.
that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
All right. Move here. Stand with feet together. Hands by your side. Okay. Are you sick or are you ill?
I mean, earlier today, I'd like to think that I'm okay.
Okay. All right. Do you have any physical defects?
Huh?
Any physical defects? Surgeries? Broken bones?
I had a surgery on here like a month ago, but I should be okay.
All right. Are you blind in either eye?
I'm nearsighted.
You wear glasses or contacts?
No.
Okay. Are you diabetic?
No, not that I know of.
All right. So you see the red light?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Nope. Don't look at this light. You'll blind yourself.
Okay.
Look at the red light.
Okay, red light only. I don't see right out of the eye.
Copy of the instructions.
No, look here. Look straight. Look straight at me, okay? Lift your head. You're slouching your head down. Okay, you can put it straight. Just straight. There you go. Just like that, all right? Stay right there, okay? I'm gonna explain the instructions to you. Alright.
My deathbed.
Stay right here. So you're more than welcome to do this with your shoes on or off.
I'll be
Completely
clear
up
that
to you.
scene.
Can I
and
feel it
Romeo
first, though?
71.
I know it's a little rocky. You can. It's completely up to you.
I don't know. I'm gonna go with the off.
Off? Alright. So move here. Stand with your left foot on the line and your right foot in front of it touching heel to toe. Yep. Put your hands by your side. Remain in that position until I tell you to start, okay? Alright, when I tell you to start, I want you to take 9 steps down the line, turn around, and then take 9 steps back. I'm gonna demonstrate it for you. You'll see, okay?
First, before I do it?
Yes, before you do, I'm gonna demonstrate it, okay? While you're walking, count your steps out loud and keep your eye on your foot, okay? Keep your hands by your side. So this is what it's gonna look like, alright? Do you understand? Mm-hmm. You begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Small steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Small
Alright.
steps.
I'm gonna let you retry that one, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand heel to toe?
Heel to toe.
Heel to toe.
Closer. You want it closer?
Heel to toe. Your heel should be touching your toe when you take a
Like
step.
this?
Look, you're gonna take a step, heel to toe.
Okay.
You understand?
I do understand. Sorry.
Alright, I'm gonna let you try it again.
Okay. Thank you. But I can look at my feet, you said?
Keep your eyes on your feet and
My
count your
eyes
steps out
on my
loud.
feet. Okay. Sorry, a lot of pressure. 1, 2, 3. So much pressure. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright.
I'm not sure how close.
One more, alright? Put your feet together, hands by your side. Okay. You can do this again with your shoes on or off, completely up to you.
It's just a lot of pressure. I'm sorry.
You want to come this way a little bit? You don't have to worry about the line. You can. No, come here. Come here. No. Come stand right
I'm sorry.
Right here. Come stand right here.
Or can I do it you backwards and I don't know, it's just a lot of pressure. Okay.
What's your name?
I'm Kayla.
Kayla, come here. Stand right here. There we go. Thank you. Okay. Stay right there. Okay. Put your feet together and your hands by your side. Whatever foot you choose. You can be your left or your right. Whatever one you feel more comfortable with, okay? When I tell you to start, You're going to take your foot, you're going to lift it approximately 6 inches off the ground, like the sides of a Coke can, keeping your foot parallel to the ground, your eyes on your foot at all times, okay? You're going to count out in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop, okay? So it's going to look like this. Like I said, whatever foot you choose.
Okay.
Do you understand?
I understand.
You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016.
Despite her initial cooperation, the driver struggled with the field sobriety exercises. From walking heel to toe to balancing on one leg, her performance was less than convincing. Her story of only having 2 drinks earlier in the evening became harder to believe.
Pick your foot back up and start where you left off.
Okay. 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022.
You can stop. Alright, Kayla, give me a favor, turn around, put your hands behind your back, okay?
How close is that?
Hmm?
How close is that?
It's not a pass or a fail, but I do feel that you are too intoxicated to operate a motor vehicle, okay?
You got money for a cab? You have stuff in the car? What do you have in the car?
Credit card.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. You have money for a cab.
Credit card.
Yeah, okay. And you're going to Coconut Cove?
If you can take me there.
We'll get a cab. You have funds for enough for it to get to use a cab to get to the hotel.
I want to go with her though.
You can't go with her.
Number 11 got...
What do you, so...
You're intoxicated. She's going to jail for DUI.
So what can I do with her?
What you can do is get a ride to your hotel, sober up, and in the morning you can see about bonding her out.
How much is it?
It's going to be, she'll see a judge in the morning, and that'll be up to the judge. Okay? So if you want to get whatever you need to get out of the car.
Stand against the car real quick. I'm just gonna, no, stand against the car. I'm gonna make sure you have nothing on you. Lean up, lean up. There you go. Alright, take a seat.
Is there any way to get nicotine or anything?
Unfortunately, I can't let you do that right now. Do you smoke cigarettes?
Yeah.
Alright. So, when we get to the station, after the breathalyzer test, relax.
I can't.
Relax. Listen to me, listen to me. Listen to me. When we get to the station...
I have like severe anxiety.
Alright, I understand that. Just breathe. Take deep breaths. Alright?
I'm listening.
When we get to the station, after the breathalyzer test is done, I will let you have a cigarette. Okay? As long as you stay cool with us, we'll stay cool with you. Okay?
We're doing.
Possible get a
I get that from.
location.
I have some.
You're gonna go to Coconut Cove.
Alright, listen, I need you to relax. You're gonna make yourself pass out. Breathe. Can't have you pass out on me. What do you want to take with you? Phone, wallet.
My candy, my wallet.
Your wallet, your phone. Anything else important? No? Alright. Give me one. You want the window down? Okay.
Oh, my hands hurt.
You okay?
Yeah.
No, it's going to be okay. Just breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Everything's going to be okay. It's just a misdemeanor.
Never.
Huh?
I'm a pretty good kid.
Okay. Well, people make mistakes. It's okay. Okay. Well, we have a cab coming for you. That'll take you to where you need to go.
I'm just going to follow her. Where is she going? 'Cause I'm just going to follow her. Like,
How are you going to follow her?
that's my girlfriend. I'm not going to leave her. Like, I can bail her out. I can bond her out. You know what I'm saying? I got the bread to do it. So that's probably where I'm going. I'm having someone come get us. You know, so like, I can, like, you can send me a cab. I can go out there I can try. Like
You can go and do whatever you want, but car's
I'm
getting towed.
not taking the car. Yeah.
Do you have luggage in the back?
Yeah. What?
Do you have luggage in the trunk?
Yeah.
You might want to grab that out.
Should I grab her luggage out?
I will grab everything out because it's going to get towed.
Just relax. Kayla, I don't need you passing out in the back of the car.
I'm sorry.
Are you laughing or crying?
At the station, a breathalyzer test revealed her BAC was 0.19, more than double the legal limit of 0.08 in Florida. The deputy informed her that she was under arrest for driving under the influence. Meanwhile, the male passenger, who admitted to drinking but was not driving, was left to find alternative transportation.
And so that machine makes noise. You're gonna have to blow hard. No, I'm sorry. You gotta take a deep breath.
Okay, I'm ready. Ready.
Okay. You know what the legal limit in the state of Florida is? Oh no, wait. You're 0.19. You're almost triple the legal limit.
Not the worst. You've seen worse.
I've seen worse, like alcohol-wise. Yeah, but that's pretty high to be driving. Actually, that's unacceptable.
She was under arrest for driving under the influence.